Hey, little mama. Are you having fun? Huh? Oh, I'll take that to yes. Is that funny?
Thumbs up.
He's looking at you. Oh, I know. You're excited, huh, Mama? You're excited. Oh, look at that beautiful smile. So beautiful. The gorgeous little baby. What are you doing? Just trying to be a ghost with the sheets. Let me see you enjoy your mama. Are you naked? Are you naked? Ooh, scandalous. What are you doing, Mama? Did you have plenty of dreams last night, huh? Yeah, you did? What are you dreaming about? Bottles and making poo-poos? Like maybe. What is that? What do you got there? What is that? Hand? What did Daddy tell you the hand was? Did Daddy tell you what hand was?
Mano.
No. Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. Bless you, little mama. You're a beautiful little girl. So happy in the morning. We love waking up. Where's your doing that? There it is. What are you trying, Mama? He's like, huh? You want it, Mommy? You What you got there, Mama? Oh, so beautiful. Daddy's enjoying this thoroughly. Dude, who's that? Peculiar device. Oh. Grandmother's out of the shower. It's time for me to go get in.